What's up with the WF111 gang? Today we're doing a guess animal company video. We're trying to unlock revolver ammo. So let's get into it. This is how far we are from unlocking it. Right here. He's at the same level. Oh, and just so you know, I'm with someone that's been in my videos before. Say hi. It's Baby C, known as Girl7370. Known as everyone friend 1WWF111 on Meta and Baby C on Meta 2 if you want to be in a video. And let's go to sewers. And during this video, we're going to be killing red light, green light. Maybe be killing red light, green light. Why'd you hit me? Red light, green light. Did you forget about him? Did you die? When it comes to green again, I'll come. Hide. I got scared, so I went up. Me too. Can I mine some? Okay. Okay. I'm not meaning to. Purple, purple, purples. Here, I'll get these. Okay. Yeah, of course. I make like 10 to 15 minute videos. Okay, we have to destroy him again. Here, I'll mine this one if you need. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe for more Animal Company. And we will do a part 2 on this soon.